Hello, dear learners. How are you? I hope you guys are quite safe and sound. Today, in this video, we are going to learn greetings methods in Arabic language. Guys, before that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it, comment, like, and please be continue with us to learn Arabic language in a perfect way. I'm Abdul Mohammed here to teach you Arabic language, and here you are going to learn how to greet and how to wish in Arabic language in a proper way. Completely I'll teach you how to greet in Arabic language. Let's start the video. Here guys, look at our screen. Greetings in Arabic. Hi, marhaban. Hi, marhaban. When person A is saying marhaban, hi. Hello, in response, you'll have to say ahlan, ahlan. Here, the next word is how are you? How are you? How are you? Kaifa haluka? Kaifa haluka? Kaifa means how. Haluka are you, your condition. Kaifa haluka? How are you? When you say I'm fine, ana tayyib. Ana means I, tayyib fine. I'm fine, ana tayyib. Ana tayyib. Here and you, wa anta. Wa means and, anta you, and you. And you, wa anta. Here, when someone is saying wa anta, so you will say I'm also fine. I'm also fine. Ana أيضا بخير. Ana أيضا بخير. Here, the next one, when someone is saying I'm also fine, so don't be keep quiet. You will have to say thank you, shukran, shukran. Here, when someone is saying shukran, you will have to say you are welcome, you are welcome. La shukra ala wajib. La shukra ala wajib. The next one, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ana asif. Ana asif. Ana asif. In response, ana asif, you will have to say it's okay. And how to say in Arabic? La haraj. La haraj. One expression is as well here. La ba'sa. La haraja or la ba'sa. Next one, I have written all the expression for in the meaning of good and fine. Good and fine. Tayyibun, hasanun, khairun, jayyidun. Finally, you can read like that in spoken. Tayyib, hasan, khair, jayyid. Tayyib, hasan, khair, jayyid. The next one, all the best. All the best. Bit-tawfiq. Bit-tawfiq. When someone is saying to you all the best, how to respond? Same to you. Walaka mithluhu. Walaka mithluhu. Now the next one is certainly. Wabit-ta'kidi. Wabit-ta'kidin. Of course. Of course. How to say? Taba'an. 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 Congratulations. You day-to-day spoken, you need to say congratulations in Arabic. It's called mabruk. Mabruk. It's a mabrukun, but in spoken shortly you can say mabruk. Mabruk. Here, pardon me. Pardon me. How to say pardon? In case of not understanding, you are saying afwan. Afwan. Excuse me in case of asking something or in case of disturbing someone. You will have to say excuse me in Arabic. Law samahtali. Law samahti. Actually means if you permit me, I want to ask something. Law samahtali. Excuse me shortly. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. كل عام وأنتم بخير. كل عام وأنتم بخير. thank you very much. Only this one, thank you. This one was shukran. Like here, very much we have added. So thank you very much. Shukran leka, shukran jazila. Shukran jazila, very much. Good morning. How do you say good morning? Sabah al khair. Sabah al khair. In responding, Sabah al Noor. Sabah al Noor. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How do you say good afternoon? Zahirat al Khair. Zahirat al Khair. In responding, Zahirat al Noor. Zahirat al Noor. Good evening. Masa al Khair. Masa al Khair. Good night. Tusbihu ala khair. Tusbihu ala khair. Good night. Laylat al khair. There are two expressions. Good night. One is tusbihu ala khair, but you can say laylat al khair. The most usable expression is tusbihu ala khair. To just memorize that. Bye bye. Bye bye. How to say bye bye? Ma'as salama. Ma'as salama. See you. Ila liqa. Ila liqa. Happy Eid. Eidukum Sa'id. Eidukum Sa'id. Have a good journey. Rahla Sa'ida. Actually, it's a Rahlatun Sa'idatun. Rahlatun Sa'idatun. But shortly, you can say in spoken, Rahlatun Sa'ida. Rahlatun Sa'ida. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Actual meaning is what? I am very happy to see you. That's the translated in Arabic language. And Ana, I am Sa'idun, happy, Jidda, very, Bilikaika, to see you. Ana Sa'idun Jidda, Bilikaika, I'm very happy to see you. I'm so glad to meet you. Have a great day ahead. Have a great day ahead. Naharuka Sa'id. Nahar means day. Ka means your. Sa'id, happy, good. Naharuka Sa'id. Have a great day ahead. Please, min fazlika. Min fazlika. Peace be upon you. When Islamic greeting method, Assalamu alaikum, that means peace be upon you. And when we respond, same to you. Wa alaikumus salam. Wa alaikumus salam. Be healthy ever. Awafi. Awafi. What's up? Shul akhbar. Shul akhbar. Nice to meet you in here. Here we are going to learn the second expression in the meaning of nice to meet you. Tasharrafna. Tasharrafna. Sweet dreams. Ahlaman. Ahlaman sa'ida. Ahlaman sa'ida. So guys, in this video, that much. In our next session, we are going to learn some another topic. Be continue please, and please share, comment and like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Be continue. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.